Okay, so last week, the AI team, let's just say the whole trade took it on the chin. And it looked really shaky, let's be honest, right? I'm a big boxing fan, so this is the way I look at it. It could have been a standing 8 count or mandatory 8 count. I think it was more of a standing 8 count, right? Where the referee administers to a fighter, even though not knocked down, but certainly badly stunned or hurt. That's where we were. Therein lies the dilemma for the broad market. Can the market hold up? The broad market of the mega cap names stumble around while they try to regain the footing. The good news is that for all the belly aching about how concentrated this rally is, take a look at this, folks. A larger percentage of names are outperforming the S&P right now than in 2024 or 2023. That's pretty impressive and moving in the right direction. Moreover, November has seen bona fide rotation, right? I mean, we talk about since October 31st, healthcare has killed it. Consumer staples, energy, materials, real estate. These names have led the way. Of course, these sectors are supposed to be excellent value plays. They even are supposedly can lift the equal weight S&P 500, and that's essentially what we've seen. Now, think about this for a moment. NASDAQ valuations, NASDAQ 100s come down a lot from where it was. The Russell still is right where it normally is. The S&P is considered expensive. Equal weight, that's where everyone says the opportunities are, but I'm skeptical about the notion of value. Been talking about this for a couple of weeks now. There's no doubt there are tons of opportunities heading outside of the Mag 7 and those names, but the old-fashioned value investing thing has been a disaster, not just recently, for a couple of decades, but what about going back to 1826, right? It just really hasn't lived up to the billing. I want you to look at this chart really closely. From 1825 to 2020, these are the value pull downs, right, drawdowns. Now, you can see when Graham, the most famous value investor who influenced Warren Buffett, started buying, he did extraordinarily well for 20 years, but that was the golden age of value. Can it come back? I'm not sure. Then, of course, there are small caps, which are expected to have boffo earnings next year, but fortunes really seem to be more tied to bond yields right now. This is your 10-year inverted, right? So we're at 4, almost under 4. As that goes up, as the bond yield goes down, maybe small caps will come on.